In this video, we're going to discuss 13 websites that will make you money online in 2022. So to make money, you don't always have to spend money. Some websites can assist you if you just want to start a side business to make regular part-time income, or if you just need some quick extra cash. Because of this, the ways to make money online in our resource list vary from the ones that require time commitment to the ones that require less time to start. Because after all, time is money. So make sure you use it wisely. So the first website we're going to start with, guys, is Fiverr, which is a marketplace that started in 2010. The name obviously comes from the original price of the gigs or jobs, which is Fiverr. That means $5 per job or per task. Now, some of the ethical business services that you can buy are influencer marketing, social media or blog posting, business card templates, content creation, and help with websites, promotion, etc. Alternatively, there are plenty of other services that people have thought about that make crazy money. For example, there are people that get paid just to write stuff on their stomach and model for a photo, for example. You can hire someone to call your friends and prank them, stuff like that. It's insane. Now, how can you make money on Fiverr? Simply offer a gig based on your skills and things you can do, promote it on social media, and watch the money come in. I've made a few videos on Fiverr, so make sure you check them out on my channel. Website number 12, UPWORK. UPWORK is definitely one of the most trusted money earning sites if you're looking to do freelance work. You can always go to this website, check out the skills that are high on demand right now that you can offer to your customers. You can then interact with people or companies that are looking to recruit freelancers. The very first step to start is by successful registration. You just go in here and click on sign up. It's pretty simple. You'll then start getting work suggestions based on your expertise and based on your skill levels and the actual skills that you possess. And the more reviews you have, the more work you've completed, the better chances you have at getting a job. Now go ahead and put yourself out there for companies from around the globe to hire you. Website number 11 is SPROUTGIGS, or Pico Workers previously. It's basically an online marketplace where thousands of freelancers can interact with entrepreneurs globally. You basically choose the type of work you wish to complete from the categories of work on the website. There are plenty of jobs you can do. You can search, you can visit websites, watch advertisements, you can engage with videos, you can promote stuff on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, among many other activities. Simply select the tasks that you want to do, and the website will provide detailed instructions on how to do it. Basically, just click on freelance and earn. They're showing you latest completed tasks, latest requested withdrawals. This is a legit website, guys. Website number 10, REDBUBBLE. REDBUBBLE is an e-commerce website that features print-on-demand products, and it allows artists to create designs for their products and sell them on the marketplace at a good margin. REDBUBBLE then handles the manufacturing, the sale, and shipping of these products. Anyone can browse the products on REDBUBBLE or on the seller's individual store page. The artist is then given a commission for each design sold, and you, as the seller or the artist, you can customize your margin. Website number 9, Merch by Amazon. Now, Merch by Amazon is literally the best and the biggest print-on-demand platform out there. Merch by Amazon then print and sell your designs on print-on-demand products. They do fast shipping with Prime, and you then earn monthly royalties on those sales. It's that simple, guys. The great thing is there's no cost to starting out. If you know how to design, then you can literally start without any running costs. Still, even without knowledge of creating a design, it's quite simple to hire a freelance designer on Fiverr to do the job instead of you. Or you can get a Creative Fabrica subscription for literally just $1 for the first month. It's very easy to get going, guys. Don't make any excuses. The link will be down below to get this deal. Now, the good thing about this platform is that it's by invitation only. And what people are doing now is they resorted to buy an account in order to get in. We have an account creation service. If you're interested, we'll leave you the link down below in the description. Website number 8. KDP. KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, is owned by Amazon and allows you to self-publish your ebooks. You can also do paperbacks and hardcover books for free. They give you direct access to your books on Amazon and allow you to create a product detail page for your book. They also give you the option to expand your book's availability on a global scale, making it more accessible for readers around the world. Now, this is if you're writing an actual book, but this is not what we're doing here. Publishing with KDP gives gives you full rights to your book, which is not something a traditional publishing house typically allows. Now you might be thinking, obviously, I'm not an author. I can't write books. There are people making thousands of dollars selling low content books like journals, notebooks, and coloring books, etc. Simply choose a niche, make a design, upload it onto a cover, and watch the money come in. If you don't know how to design, you can get design elements and put them together, or get ready designs from Creative Fabrica. It's pretty easy to get going. Number 7. Etsy. If you're unfamiliar with Etsy, it's an online marketplace dedicated to selling unique items and services that are handcrafted or homemade or handmade. This is a great way to make money if you are artistic and creative. People on Etsy are mainly looking for someone who can manufacture custom items like jewelry, cards, magnets, and decorative elements. You may offer your innovative work there and offer a decent sum of money. Now guys, I've shared with you a few bits and pieces that you could do on Etsy. For example, selling digital products, which is really lucrative right now. I did a video especially on this, so make sure you check it out on the channel. The next website is Printful. You can use Printful to create print-on-demand products for your customers, and you can use it by linking Printful to your online store, such as Etsy or Shopify. It works with WooCommerce as well, and it has many other integrations. You may design clothing, accessories, and household goods using Printful's comprehensive design platform. You can also create designs or import ones that you or someone else has created. Simply choose a niche like fishing or golf, link Printful to Etsy or Shopify, use Creative Fabrica just like I showed you for designs, and upload to Printful. These will be synced with Etsy or Shopify depending on which platform you want to sync it to. Then go ahead and promote your designs on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, and social media platforms like that to get insane traffic and watch the sales come in. Website number 5, FAUCET Crypto. On the cryptocurrency website FAUCET Crypto, you can get free cryptocurrency. The user will receive cryptocurrency in their wallet if they successfully complete these activities. Now, for people that don't have any money to invest right now, they do have a chance to build some capital thanks to FAUCET Crypto. Sign up right here, complete your tasks, and get free cryptocurrency and thank me later. Website number 4, freecash.com. Now, this is the fastest growing website for making money online. You can make money by doing activities, signing up for offers, or playing games. It's a lot of fun and can earn you money. Again, this is for beginners that don't have any capital whatsoever. You can make withdrawals using PayPal, or you can withdraw using cryptocurrency as well. Website number 3, Fat Llama. This is an incredibly unique platform. You can rent out your possessions to people in need for the price you choose. By renting out your items that you don't need for a brief period of time, you can make anywhere from an average of $50 per week to $10,000 per month. One of the few free internet making money services that advocates for fostering a culture of borrowing rather than purchasing. Go ahead, give it a try. Website number 2, ClickBank. ClickBank is an online retailer that sells 6 million products to 200 million clients globally by utilizing the power of digital marketing. Affiliates can promote vendor products from ClickBank's marketplace through an affiliate program by creating a hot link and earning up to 75% in commissions and even more in some cases. So for example, if I want to promote this product right here, I literally click on promote and I get a hop link. So if I want to promote this product right here, for example, I simply click on promote this product and I will get a hop link. So therefore, this website genuinely gives others a run for their money if you're looking for trustworthy affiliate websites to earn money. One of the most well-known websites for online surveys is Swagbucks. There's a $10 welcome prize when you open a free Swagbucks account. You can choose from several ways to earn points, including completing surveys, shopping online, using the Swagbucks search engine, watching videos, playing games, finding discounts, and purchasing gift cards. Later, you may exchange your points for gift cards from your preferred stores, including Amazon and Walmart, or you can use PayPal to get cash back. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you got some value out of this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below with your suggestions or questions, hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I upload a new video, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.